Hello everyone, welcome to LRDI Prep. My name is Samir Sardana, and in this video I will be discussing question number 2 of CAT 2018 matrix based set. So in the first part we discuss the instruction given in the first paragraph. The main instruction that we are supposed to follow as per the first paragraph is that no two adjacent cells should have a same numeral, right, while you are filling a matrix. And the meaning of the adjacent word is a cell, two cells are called adjacent if they touch each other horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. For example, in this case, if I want to find out how many cells are adjacent to this cell, let's say this is cell number A. Now you see that if I look horizontally, the cell number B is adjacent to this cell. If I look vertically, cell number C and cell number D, right, they are adjacent to this cell. If I look diagonally, this cell number E as well as the cell number F is diagonally adjacent to this cell. So this particular cell have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjacent cells. That's the only concept that you need to follow in this whole set, right? ये पूरा का पूरा set सिर्फ एक adjacent word की definition के ऊपर based है, and you can see that, right? What exactly is the level of CAT papers, right? CAT set बहुत छोटा सा concept है, एक ही point में question खत्म हो रहा है, right? सिर्फ अगर आप उसको ढंग से इंटरप्रेट करो तो आपके चारों के चारों क्वेश्चन बहुत इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग मी, द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग what is a minimum number of different numerals needed to fill a 5 into 5 square matrix. In the previous question we did how many numerals will be required to fill a 3 into 3 square matrix, but here we have 5 into 5 square matrix. That means we have 5 rows and we have 5 columns. So total number of cells are 5 into 5, that is 25. And we need to fill all these 25 cells with numerals, but those numerals has to be as minimum as possible. So same concept, exactly the similar concept that we follow in the first question, that if I want to minimize a number of numerals, right, if I want to use minimum numbers to fill this 5 into 5 square matrix, I need to use a particular number as many times as possible. For example, if I'm using the digit 1 here, now adjacent cell cannot have the same number. So if the adjacent cell cannot have the same number, this cell can be filled with 1, this cell can be filled with 1, right? I cannot fill 1 at these places, but I can fill 1 here, right? You're supposed to use 1 as many times as possible, because when you use a digit maximum possible number of times, the total number of digits that will be required to fill this 5 into 5 square matrix will get minimized, right? So can we use 1 in any cell in this second row? No. Why? Because these two cells are adjacent to these two cells, this particular cell. ये दोनों सेल इस सेल के साथ एडजेसेंट हैं, ये सेल इसके साथ एडजेसेंट है, तो 1 सेकंड रो में नहीं यूज हो सकता, बट थर्ड में तो यूज हो सकता है. सिमिलरली फोर्थ रो में 1 यूज नहीं हो पाएगा. आई कैनॉट यूज 1 in the fourth row, but can I use it in the fifth row? Yes, I can use it in the fifth row. So I can use 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Okay. Is there any possibility to use the same numeral again now? No, there is no possibility. Okay. Now that means I need to use the second digit now. What is that second digit? But again, the value of that second digit does not matter. The numbers of digit we are using to fill this matrix matters, right? This is what the question is talking about. So let's use the second digit number 2 now. I can use 2 here, I can use 2 here. Can I use 2 in these two cells? No, because all these 3 cells are adjacent to these 3. Can I use 2 here? No. So therefore let's use 2 here, let's use 2 here. Again 2 cannot be used here. Let's use 2 here, let's use 2 here. So 2 can be used in maximum of 6 cells, right? There is no other place left to use 2. If you use here, it will be adjacent to this, right? 2 adjacent cells should not have the same digit, okay? Now I need to pick one more number. So let's pick 3. Where can I place 3? I can place 3 here. Now if 3 is placed here, in this particular cell 3 cannot be used. Then I can use 3 here again. I can use 3 here again. Following the similar pattern, you can see that 3 will be here, 3 will be here, and 3 will be here. 3 can be used again for maximum number of 6 times, right? 3 can be used for maximum number of 6 times. Now, is there any other possibility? Is there any cell available where I can use the number digit 3 again? No, I cannot use it because all the 4 vacant cell are adjacent to this cell where 3 has already been used. That means Now I have to use a different number. Okay, if not 3 then 2. No. See that this particular cell, it is adjacent to all of these 9 cells. You see that? This particular cell is adjacent to all of these 9 cells. So none of that digit which have been used in these 8 cells can be used here. That digit will not be possible to use. So 1, 2 and 3 have been used in all these cells. So a new number need to be used here, and that number will be 4. So I need to fill this place, fill this cell with number 4. 4 यहाँ पे आएगा, फिर यहाँ पे आएगा, फिर यहाँ पे आएगा, and then 4 can be used here. So see that again the answer to the question is 4. The numerals that we are supposed to use, the minimum number of numerals, or you can say the minimum numbers that we are supposed to use to fill this 5 into 5 square matrix is 4. That is the answer of the question. This is the answer, right? A very simple question, free mark in CAT exam. Let's look at the question number 3. So the answer to this question is 4. Here is a question number 3, guys. Here is a question number 3. Now the question number 3 says that suppose you are allowed to make one mistake. Suppose you are allowed to make one mistake. That is, one pair of adjacent cell can have the numerals. What is the minimum number of different numerals required to fill a 5 into 5 square matrix? Question is good, right? But options are really senseless options, right? There's no point looking at the option. You can answer the question, right? Because the question is saying that now you are allowed to do one mistake. That means in two adjacent cell you can place the same number. Once you commit a mistake, you cannot repeat that mistake, right? Then you have to follow all the rules that have been given in the instruction part. Matrix is 5 into 5. Even the matrix has not been changed. We just saw in the previous question that a 5 into 5 square matrix can be filled completely with 4 digits. Minimum number of digits that are required to fill a 5 into 5 is 4. Now when I'm allowed to do a one mistake, when I'm allowed to make a mistake, my number of digits should get reduced. That means my answer for this particular question, if I am looking for the minimum number of numerals, that means the answer has to be less than my previous answer, or it can be at max equal to the answer, because now the examiner is allowing me to do one mistake. Doing one mistake means it is giving me the opportunity of using the less number of digits to fill this matrix. So my answer will be less than or equal to 4. All of the options, right? Look at the option number 1, look at the option number 2, and look at the option number 4. All these options are straight away eliminated, right? These two options are straight away eliminated. Straight away you can say answer cannot be less than, answer cannot be more than 4. The only option left is 3. Why answer cannot be more than 4? Because without committing a mistake, I was using 4 digit as a minimum number of digits, right? Now when the examiner is allowing me a one mistake to commit, that means I might have 3 digits. I might require only 3 digits to 5 into 5 to fill 5 into 5 square matrix, or 2 or 1, but answer cannot go more than 4, right? Without mistakes allowed, without if the mistakes are not allowed, the answer is 4. Now if the mistakes are allowed, how can answer be more than 4? So therefore straight away answer will be option number 3. Anyways, why? Let's look at theoretically also. See that we see that maximum number of times one can be used are at these places, right? 2 can be used over here. Now because it says one mistake is allowed, so if one mistake is allowed, that means even if I'm using a number 3 at these two cells, right, I will still require 3 here, right, to fill here. Now you see that I have committed an error. Now that error that I am committing here is allowed only once. I cannot commit that same error again now. I still have these numbers to fill, right? I still need to use a different digit out, because now a mistake is not allowed. I still will require 4 to fill at these places, right? So therefore, minimum number of digits that are still required to fill a 5 into 5 into matrix is 4. Someone who understood the set and get the sense of the set can straight away answer this question in less than 5-6 seconds. The moment you read the question, you can straight away go with the option number 3, because mistake is allowed. The answer cannot go more than 4, right? These 3 are eliminated, so this is straight away the answer of the question. A very easy question, right? Thank you so much for watching the video. There's one more question left. That one particular question is quite tricky. So that question will be discussed in the next part of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends, right? That will really encourage me to put more videos, right? Thank you so much. And use my referral code LRDSME for Unacademy Plus subscription. I'm coming up with a comprehensive geometry course of 500 plus questions with a practice set of 500 plus questions in geometry on 2nd of November for students who are appearing for CAT 2020 as well as for CAT 2021. That course will be launched on Plus. You can subscribe to Unacademy Plus using my referral LRDSME. Thank you so much. See you then in the next part of the video.